A blessed morning, everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 9, verse 13 to 17. I do set my bow on in the cloud, and it shall be for a token of the covenant between me and the earth. And shall come to pass that when I bring a cloud on over the earth, that the bow shall be seen in the cloud. I will remember my covenant which is between me and you and every living creature of all flesh. And the water shall no more become a flood to destroy all flesh. And the bow shall be in the cloud, and I will look upon it, and I may remember the everlasting covenant between God and every living creature of all flesh that is upon the earth. And God said unto Noah, This is the token of the covenant which I have established between me and all the flesh that is upon the earth. So that's it, that the rainbow is the covenant of God between God and man, that this planet Earth will no longer be obliterated by the great flood. So it is true that it's the symbol of God's rainbow is the symbol of God's faithfulness, and rainbow uh, is not a symbol of LGBTQ but rather goodness of God.